So we have converted boolean to other types of data, right? So we have converted booleans to floating points. We have essentially numbers, right? We have converted booleans to numbers. We have converted boolean data types to strings. But what happens when we do it the other way around? What happens if we try if we try and convert uh, a string to a boolean? Okay, what happens? So instead of this direction, right? What happens if we try this direction? So integer to boolean, or floating point to boolean, or string to boolean. What happens then? Okay, let's see that. So let me clear this. Okay, let me clear this. And remember, the way we do that is using the function bool, right? Using the function bool. So let's say bool 1, boolean of 1. Can you guess what this is? What will the output of this would be? The output would be true, because 1 is true, right? Right? 1 is true. Bool of 0. What will be the output of this be? Of course, it would be false. Okay. Now, here's 0 and 1. Okay, we have numbers 0 and 1. Now, what if we use another set of numbers? Okay, what if we use, let's say, bool 100? Bool 100. What do you think will the output of this statement be? When you say bool 100, essentially you're trying to convert 100 to a boolean value, right? True or false. What will be the output of this statement be? And the answer, which might surprise you, would be true. Okay. And I'll explain why this is, but before we do that, let's try another one. Let's say bool negative 100. I'm sorry, negative 100. What will be the output of this be? Still true. Okay, the output is still true. So what happens is, when I said that internally Python says true is 1 and false is 0, right? What happens is, in reality, Python says 0 is false. Anything else, anything else is true. So unless you pass a 0 to this bool function right here, you'll keep getting true. Everything else is true. Only 0 is false. Okay? Now let's try converting a floating point to a boolean. Okay? So let's say bool 0.0. What will this be? What will be the output of this be? I'm sorry, 0.0. 0.0. This would be false, right? Because 0.0 is actually 0, right? What if we said 0.1? What then? What will be the output of this be? Bool 0.1. It will be true, because anything other than 0 is true, right? And 0.1 is not 0, right? So it is true. Okay. Similarly, you can go to negative values. So bool negative 10. What will this give us? Bool negative 10.0. By the way, what will this give us? It will give us true, right? What if you have a value that is very close to 0 but not exactly 0? What if you have bool of 0 point, lots of zeros and then a 1? What about this? It is still true, because although it is very close to 0, it's not yet 0, right? So it is still considered to be true. Okay. Similarly, on the opposite side of the number line, so you can have things like bool negative negative point or 0 point, still true, right? So that's how we convert numbers, or that's how numbers are converted to booleans.